Google Ad grants are an incredible way for nonprofits to get free advertising. However, most businesses don't realize that there is actually a way to get a Google Ad grant, even if you're a regular for-profit business. I'll tell you how to do that in just a moment. But, you should know, the Google Ad Grants program can really be a game changer for your business. Essentially, by getting approved for the program, your business can receive $10,000 per month in free Google Ads for life. As you can imagine, this can be an extremely valuable resource for promoting your business, reaching new audiences, and making a real impact on the world by giving back. In this video, I am going to share a little-known secret, a loophole we've uncovered, that actually allows us to provide free advertising funding to businesses through Google Ad Grants. We will talk about what Google Ad Grants are, the benefits, requirements, the loophole, and how to know if a Google Ad Grant is right for you. So make sure you stay until the end. But first, I'd like to ask if you can please share, like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. This helps us to bring you more content just like this to help you grow and scale your business with creative ways to fund your business. We really do appreciate your help. Okay, so let's start with what a Google Ad Grant is. The Google Ad Grants program is a philanthropic program offered directly by Google that provides free advertising funding to qualified nonprofit organizations. This is actually not a new program, it actually started just a couple of years after Google launched. The program offers $10,000 worth of free Google AdWords advertising each month for life. I know what you're thinking. Too good to be true, right? Why would Google do this? The answer is really quite simple. It actually makes good business sense. By providing free advertising to nonprofit organizations, Google is not only doing a great service to society, but it also benefits Google financially with tax breaks. Not only does it help with its bottom line, but it also increases its credibility and improves consumer loyalty. Plus, it literally does not cost them a single penny. It's a win-win for everyone involved. What are the benefits of Google Ad Grants? There are many benefits of having a Google Ad Grant, but here are some of the most notable ones. 1. $10,000 per month in free advertising. 2. Reach new audiences. These can include buyers, donors, and/or volunteers. 3. Build a list of your most engaged target audience. 4. Increase visibility for your business. 5. Help a good cause and make a difference in the world. 6. Gain a competitive edge. What are the requirements for Google Ad Grants? To be eligible, you must 1. Be a registered 501(c)(3) organization. Don't worry if you are not a registered nonprofit. As we mentioned, we utilize a little-known loophole that allows us to get this done for you quickly and easily, even if the main core of your business is for profit. 2. Adhere to all of Google's website and ad program policies. There are many guidelines we need to follow, but basically, you will need to have an active high-quality website, with valuable content that is not geared toward commercial activity, and we can show you exactly how to do it. We have basically cracked the code on what Google wants and how to meet these criteria for you to ensure you are 100% approved for the grant. So, what is the loophole? The loophole that allows us to get regular businesses approved is that we create a separate branch of your business as a nonprofit organization. The trick is knowing how to maintain the commercial aspects of the business, which we have mastered. There is no need to create a new business or anything like that. In fact, it does not negatively affect your current business at all. There are actually 4 categories of nonprofits: charity, religious, public benefit, and education. We focus on education because it fits perfectly for what we can do with the $120,000 a year that we get you in free advertising. I know it may sound complicated, and it can be overwhelming. Especially, if you try to go about this on your own. However, it's second nature for us as we have done this for over 300 industries over the last 16 years. And, we guarantee to get you approved 100% or you pay nothing. It gets even better because we don't stop there since we show you exactly how to maximize the free advertising dollars that you'll get each month to be profitable. In fact, we've helped our clients that are enrolled in this exact program to double, quadruple, even 10x their advertising spend. If you are already a nonprofit organization, we can still help you get the grant and show you how to maximize the free advertising dollars to help your cause even further. So, what's the catch? The only catch is that you will need to donate a percentage of any sales you get generated from the Google ad spend. This is typically 10 to 20%, which is also tax deductible. So this isn't really a catch, since it makes total business sense. Plus, you also get to give back to the community. Don't forget, You are literally getting $10,000 in free advertising every single month, for life. Is a Google Ad grant right for you? Well, do you have information or knowledge you'd like to share with others? Do you have courses, programs, or services that can help people? Do you want more exposure without the risk of advertising? Would you like to use ads to build a team of virtual salespeople who send you clients? Do you want to increase profit margins, increase total lead volume, and increase your customer lists? Would you like to boost goodwill, credibility, and overall trustworthiness? Finally, how would you like to get $120,000 every year in free ads for life? If you answered yes to these questions, and if this sounds like an amazing opportunity, please click on the link below, where you can learn more about the Google Ads grant program. Clicking the link below will take you to a page that looks like this, where you can get more details about the program, see testimonials, see examples of the types of businesses we have helped, frequently asked questions, and where you can book a no-obligation consultation call to see if it's a good fit for your business. Thanks again, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this with any business you feel might also benefit from this amazing program.